So in this video I'm going to show you how to create a task on a project. So from the dashboard I'll go up to the projects tab here and click projects, and here's the two projects I've added in, and as you can see they're both at the moment they're just classed as leads, but they could also be opportunities or jobs. Potentially we could also class them as jobs we've won, lost, jobs we want to defer, and projects that we want to archive for a later date. So for this project, Test Company e-commerce, I'm going to click on there, and that takes me through to another page where there's a lot more information about this project. So we can see the activities on this project so far, which was just me creating it. Some details, so it's Test Company, needs a new site to sell products, who the client is, it's Test Company, they're in manufacturing, and there's all the address information we put in earlier. But in this case I want to add a task to the project, so what I'm going to do is tap on progress and then add new action. So from here I'm going to have a to-do list, and there aren't any items in my to-do list categories at the moment, so I need to add a category, so I'll do that, and I'm going to do one called create quote, and then you can give it some more information if you want, just typing anything there, and I'm going to add a new category. So the action is I'd like a new quote please, and date, so when is this action due for completion, so I'm going to give them until the 8th of November. Short description, please create a quote, and then I can give a lot more information here, so I'm going to say quote needed against spec agreed, and I'm going to assign it to Fred Bloggs. Now Fred Bloggs is the only user in the system at the moment, so he's automatically going to get all the projects, all the actions, and you can also determine whether you want this as a single event, a daily event, a weekly, monthly, or even a recurring event, and you can set those up as well. So this one was a non-recurring event, so just tick none there, which is the default setting, and then I'm going to click add new action. Yep, there we go. So Fred Bloggs will now be sent an email telling him that a new action has been assigned to him. So when he logs into his email next time, he'll see that there's an email from Mother saying you've been assigned a new action, and there's a direct link back in through to it, so he'll be able to see what he's been given. So that's it. Very simple to create actions on projects. That's it. Oh, actually you can see I entered it twice accidentally, but this is quite a good way. I can show you that I can move these up and down, so if I wanted to move that to be the next action on the list, I can do so. Very simple to do. Once the actions have been completed, there aren't any in there at the moment, but say for example Fred Bloggs wanted to say that he'd done this, all he has to do is tick as completed, and that's it. It will now be in our completed list of actions. If I go back to my to-do list as well, if Fred Bloggs had any questions, he could then add a comment into the action. So let's just say more info needed, and add the comment, and then that Mother will automatically send an email to the person who specified this action to tell them that Fred has asked for some more information, and then there'll be a link in there linking them back into the action. So that's it. Very simple, easy way to add actions and tasks into Mother. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks very much.